Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What is up? I hope you all are doing great. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because I really want to hit 100k by the end of this year, and for that I will need your help. So what you gotta do is just simply hit the red subscribe button. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. So today's video is a very easy peasy Indian wedding makeup look, and I have kept this video very simple, very easy to do because I know not a lot of people are professionals or very good at applying or doing makeup. So I've kept this video very simple so anybody can recreate it. And the best part is that it is such a universal neutral makeup look that you can literally wear this with any outfit. Even if you're wearing a colorful lehenga, sari, suit, this makeup will complement your outfit because it is very universal, very neutral, and you can totally change up the lip color according to your liking. Also, I'm wearing this beautiful purple suit that I got stitched, and I have paired my favorite Wellington watch and ring to elevate the entire look, and I absolutely love the way it has just, change the entire vibe of my outfit. You can wear these with Indian wear, even Western wear. I like wearing this with jeans and joggers, and I'm good to go, and it just instantly elevates the entire look and it makes my outfit look classy and good. Also, I have a discount code which is Himadri15, so you can get 15% off on your purchase. So make sure to check it out because I'm sure you can find some really good gifting options for Christmas as well. And without any further ado, let's begin. Alright you guys, so before I start doing my makeup, I will prep my skin. I've already used the Farsali volcanic elixir, and I have been using that product a lot lately because it has some great ingredients which will help in fading out these acne scars or pigmentation, whatever you want to call it. I have been using the volcanic elixir and the rose gold elixir together before I start doing my makeup. I know it is very expensive, but I just cannot do my makeup without these nowadays. So I would highly request you all to check out Farsali, especially now the Nykaa Pink Friday sale is here. I'm pretty sure you'll find some really good deals on this particular product. So I'll take about 2 drops of this and just gently massage this all over my face, and you can see it instantly adds a beautiful glow to my skin. Next, I'll apply some lip balm to prep my lips. Now to add some extra glow, I will be using the MAC Strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. Honestly, this isn't my favorite shade. I think the shade gold will look much nicer on my skin tone because I have an olive undertone, and the shade Pink Light will look nice on people who are lighter than my complexion. But I'm still gonna use it because I like how it looks and it just adds a really nice glow to the skin. I'm just gonna take a small amount of this because I don't want to apply it all over my face. I'll basically apply it on the highest point of my cheekbones, here on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, chin, and also a bit on my forehead right here. Next, after that is done, I'll be using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It is a silicone based primer, so it will help in blurring out any pores or any texture that I might have on my skin. I'll apply this around my nose, on my forehead, and even around my cheek area. A tip I would like to add here is always press your silicone based primer into your skin and never rub it vigorously because that defeats the entire purpose. So the best way of using a silicone based primer is to pat. For my foundation, I will be using the PAC HD liquid foundation, and I am in the shade 3.1. So I'll first give it a good shake. Take about 2 pumps of this because I don't want a thick layer of foundation on my skin. I want my skin to look like skin, and I'll be using this Sigma Kabuki 3D HD brush to apply it all over my face. I'll start by applying thin layers, and later if I think I need more coverage, I'll build it up. For concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. This shade is very close to my skin tone, so it will help in cancelling out any darkness that would be around my under eye area and also wherever I have blemishes or pigmentation. And on top, to brighten up my face or brighten up my features, I'll be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark. And to blend this out, I'll be using my current favorite blender, and this one is from Cuffs and Lashes. I like the shape of it. This area makes it very convenient to blend out any large surface, and this pointy side you can pinch it and do some precise blending. It is very soft, blends my makeup really nicely, but the best part here is that it is very affordable. I think you get 2 sponges for rupees 200 only, and it's a must. If you're looking for a new beauty sponge, definitely check out Cuffs and Lashes and get this one. Alright, so now I'll contour my face and I'll use this Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium 02, and I'll pick up the darkest brown color on a fluffy brush like this and apply this right on my cheekbones, right here on my jawline, and also a bit on my forehead. I'll even slightly contour my nose. Always blend your contour upwards and into your hairline. Now to set my concealer in place, I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics Powder Play Banana Compact Powder. It has a yellow tint which will help in brightening up my under eye area, and also I've hit pan on this. I'll definitely be restocking this product because it is absolutely amazing. And what I'll do first is I'll take my blender and make sure that I have no creases. I'll use this Cuff and Lashes F12 face brush, and I'll use this brush to set my under eye area. Now I'll quickly fill in my brows using my favorite Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and once after I'm done, I'll set my brows in place using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Next, I'll be using a blush. This is the L'Oreal Monocolor Powder Blush in the shade Be Fierce, and it is a beautiful blush color. Like you can see, it is such a pretty color and looks really nice on my skin tone. If you're around NC42, you should definitely get this blush. I'll take an angle fluffy brush like this and apply it on my cheekbone right here. For my eyes, I want to keep my eye makeup very simple to do because I know not a lot of people are pro at doing eye makeups, and it is one of the most trickiest part if you're a beginner. So I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Soph eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of colors that you can play around with, and the eye makeup that I will be doing today, you can literally wear it with any outfit. So there are no outfit or color restrictions. It's going to be a very neutral makeup look that you can literally pair with any outfit. I'll start by using this shade right here, which is called Cookie Dough, and I'll be using this on a PAC 213 eyeshadow brush. So this brush will make it very easy for me to diffuse the color on my entire crease. Next, I'll take the shade Cheesecake on a flat fluffy brush like this one, and I'll deepen up my crease. Now for my eyelids, I will be using this K-Beauty Metal eyeshadow stick in the shade Golden Hour. It is a very pretty golden color. You can blend this out really easily. If you're a beginner, you can totally go and get these K-Beauty eyeshadow sticks, and it has a really nice undertone. So I'll apply this color all over my eyelids. Now I'll take this beautiful shade which is called Mulled Wine and pick it up on the same flat shader brush and deepen up the crease a bit. Add a bit of more gold on top. Now I'll use a black eyeshadow. This is from the Nykaa Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the shade Smoky at 8. And I'll pick up this black shade right here on a tiny angled brush. This is an eyeliner brush from Sigma. It is the Wing Liner E06 brush. And I'll apply this very close to my lash line. I'll take a tiny brush and smoke this out. After my eyes are pretty much done, I'll curl my lashes. And apply my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. For highlighter, I'll be using this one from Glamorama. This was one of my favorite highlighters and I don't know why I stopped using this, so I found it today, so I'll be using it. And I'm gonna first apply this on the inner corners of my eyes. Such a beautiful blinding highlighter, you guys, and it is also very affordable. I think it's under 500 rupees, I'm sure. Now for my lashes, I'll be using the PAC Cosmetics Mink Lashes in this style M77. You can clearly see lashes make a huge difference and it just ties up the entire look. So now that my eyes are done, my base is pretty much done. Next for the lips, I'll be using this Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Sugar and Spice to outline my lips a bit. For my lipstick, I'll be using this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon lipstick in the shade 05. And to lighten up my lipstick a bit, I'll be using the MAC lipstick in the shade Taupe. And for the last step, don't forget to set your makeup in place because you want your makeup to look fresh for a really long time. So I'll use the MAC Fix Plus. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. It's so simple and easy to do, and I'm pretty much sure a lot of you guys would be able to recreate this. But the best part is that it is such a universal look that it will literally go with any outfit. Even if you're wearing a red, blue, yellow, orange, pink, purple, beige, like whatever outfit you're wearing, this look will look good. I'll be linking these accessories in the description box below. You can use my discount code Himadri15 to get 15% discount on Daniel Wellington's website, which is so cool. You can find some really good gifting options because Christmas and the wedding season is here. So you can totally check out their website. I'll link it in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon. Also follow me on Instagram to stay updated, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.